guys! So in today's video, I'm going to talk about my favorite dry shampoos. I was going to film a video of all the hair products that I like, but then I realized there's a lot, so I decided to categorize them, and in today's video I'm just going to talk about the dry shampoos that I love and why I love each one. We're going to start off by this new one, which blew my mind away. It's a Pixie. It's a dry shampoo foam. Say what? Yep, it's in the foam. Like, if your hair is like disgustingly oily, and you just take this and then you just put it in your hair. Well, my hair wasn't oily, so it would be hard for me to show you guys. Yeah, don't be afraid just because it's foamy. Like, seriously, it's gonna get absorbed and your hair is gonna look fresh. Trust me. And look, I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but you can blow dry your hair if you want the wetness to go away faster, but yeah, your hair is gonna be left squeaky clean and that oiliness is gonna disappear. Alright, that's one of my favorites. And yeah, I'm just trying to see. It doesn't feel like you have anything in your hair. It doesn't have the icky feeling. You know how a lot of dry shampoos leave residue, and when you're like, oh, like I can feel that I have dry shampoo in my hair. This one doesn't do that. Quickie Me by Design Me. That's number one. I mean, I'm not talking about in the order that I love. Does that make sense? It's not in any order. I love all of these for different reasons. And the next one up is going to be this one by Sexy Hair. It's called Hair Laundry. This one is in a powder form. We're going to talk about all these different forms of dry shampoo. Hair Laundry. Come on, like, look at the name. And it really is a hair laundry. So this one is powder. So I have to show you. So you just put it in the roots. And this one also does not leave the residue. You just put it in your hair. And then you do that. And it also gives your hair texture, which who doesn't like that? There you go. Get rid of all the oil. Well, the foam can be kind of like scary, like if you put it in your hair and you're like, oh my god, what am I gonna do with all this foam? This is like good for traveling too, because you can just throw it in your bag. It can even fit in your purse. I like this for traveling because it's powder, it's lighter, it's could even fit in your purse. So, Hair Laundry by Sexy Hair. That's that. There's another one. Oh, here it is. Guys, this one is another one of my favorites. Perk Me Up by Amika. If I'm being honest, I mostly use this for the smell. I want my hair to, it smells like heaven. It's good for dates. So your date, if like he's getting too close to you, he could smell your hair, like, or she's getting close to you, whatever. I don't even know what it has at. It smells so good. Yeah, it smells fresh. It's really good. And I don't just love it for the smell, it actually works pretty well. There's another one by Design Me. It's a spray, but Design Me, they're so smart. They came up with different tones. One for like brunettes and one for blondes. Because a lot of times as a brunette, I'm naturally a brunette. Yeah. So like I have dark roots. When I use dry shampoo, a lot of times it'll leave like a white residue, which was not cute. So Design Me came up with dry shampoo for brunettes. So it's actually, I'll spray it on my hands so you can see. Like, it's darker, so it does not leave like a white residue. But if you're a blonde, please do not use this because then you're gonna have like black lines on your head. Not recommended for blondes. It's also called Quickie Me by Design Me. So we also have another one, Bumble and Bumble. This is like a 2-in-1. It's a dry shampoo and also UV protectant. So you can wear this at the ends of your hair also to protect it from UV rays. UV filters help protect hair from the drying effects of the sun. So that's why it says 2-in-1. This also smells really good. Do you guys also buy products based on how they smell? Well, I didn't buy these. These were sent to me and I tried it and I loved it. Next up, we got the Design Me dry shampoo, but this one's for blondes. So I showed you what the other one looked like, and then this one doesn't have a color. So even, oh, it says for blondes and pastel tones. Absorbs, lifts, and styles. So, see? But it really works. These dry shampoos work great. I don't use a lot of dry shampoos because I wash my hair often. Don't judge me. I know I'm not supposed to be washing my hair often. But since I put a lot of hair products in my hair, I really don't like the feeling of having products in my hair. I do not use shampoo all the time. I rinse my hair. That's what I should say. I don't wash. I rinse my hair. So we have 3 Quickie Me's by Design Me. One for blondes and pastels, and we got this one for brunettes, and we got the foam. This is awesome. I just love playing with this, and like, cause it looks scary. And then we got the Hair Laundry by Sexy Hair, like small travel size. You can take it anywhere. You got the Amika Perk Me Up that smells like heaven. Like, definitely use this if you're going on a date and you have dirty hair. Use this. Alright guys, that's all I have as far as dry shampoos go. I hope you liked the video, and let me know if you use any of these products and what your thoughts are on them. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye guys.